Okay, June 6, 2026, CMU's here, 2025. Another southbound road behind the other one. Let's check it out. New 3422! C768. Nice show, I'll say. Very nice indeed. And that's gonna do it for the B790 41 of the 4th, and we'll do it for the new C6M rebuild of the new 3422 with the Every Child Matters logo, 2892 in the second slot, and rear DPU of the ex-Citirail, the 2768. Once again, off it goes to Nutrient Hammond Potash in Hammond, Indiana via the Indiana Harbor Belt. Another highlight of the day, folks, I gotta say. Haha! And that is gonna do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for this evening. Coming up in the last video that I'll have lined up for today will be the roll-by of the Rattler in 34791 of the 5th. It also has a C6M rebuild in the second slot. That is a Ford locomotive lash-up, which we'll see coming up in the last video coming up next. Thanks for watching, everyone. You have a great evening. Enjoy the rest of this weekend. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you down the main line. See ya, and he's out.